In this video, let's talk about how to use Bank of America online banking for seniors. Now, to access the customized simplicity feature built in within the Bank of America application or the website, you simply need to first of all open up the platform, and this feature allows you to make managing your money safer as well as easier to read and simpler to navigate. The first thing that you can do in terms of making it easier is to enlarge the text. So simply head over to the menu on the top left and then head over or navigate to the option which says accessibility, and then you'll be able to enlarge the text within the whole platform. Secondly, you could also set up emergency safety safeguards, meaning you could add either a trusted contact or also turn on transaction alerts. So within the menu again, you could head over to the profile settings where you have the option of adding in a trusted contacts, as well as you have the option of setting off transaction alerts. Now, apart from this, what you could also do is use the simplest features first. So for example, you could only use the check balance feature, which is going to be to check your balance and your history, as well as the pay bills section within Bank of America. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.